to get started on figuring out what type of pattern we want to use. We will be drawing different patterns in these sections of the leaves, but before we decide which patterns, we need to plan it out. So the natural world is made up of interrelated systems. Draw your own patterns in the empty boxes below. So I put a few different patterns: rays, radiating, spiral, symmetry, meandering, branching, packing, bubbles. In these four, I want you to draw in your own types of patterns, okay, whichever one you want to make up. Okay, so you're going to choose your patterns. You're going to draw in your patterns. So again, you choose various patterns from here or ones that you've made up yourself, and you're going to add them to each different section. You can make a pattern of the patterns, pattern and repetition, or you can just make sure that you are not drawing the same pattern across the entire thing, okay? So I'm going to start out by making it look like a feather by adding lines to a few of them, maybe a pattern with it. Okay. Okay, so now we have our feather and we're gonna cut it out. Okay, voila, we are done with our feather.